Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's Shipment 8, due in early January 2021, so that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing, so probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. Okay, and again, onto another exceptionally rare bike, a Honda C50. It's a 50th anniversary bike as well, which is, unheard of. Really rare bike. Very collectible, with a special edition color on it, so it's black. So the black color only came out for these bikes and has never been put on another Super Cub since. You can see on the left hand side here on the Super Cub 50th anniversary, 1958 to 2008. Really beautiful bike, Super Cub 50, in very nice condition, albeit, as well. So it's a 2008 bike. So there you can see it again, and we'll move on to the other side of the bike now as well. You know, everything in really nice condition, as you can see. Really exceptional bike. Even the if you see, the engine was painted black to match everything. That's original from factory as well. So if you're looking for a kind of a collector's piece for a Honda Super Cub 50, this is it. We have done another one which was the 100 millionth anniversary, which was 100 million sales of the Super Cub, which we sold a bike. It was actually never run, even had the plastic in the fuel tank. So, you know, these type of bikes, these 50th anniversary, have them in a collection. They're worth an awful lot of money as well. So that's it for our bike 15. It's a Honda C50 50th anniversary from 2008. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.